Are you worried about your funds in crypto? You should be, because the tech is new and the hackers are evolving day by day. Now, what we are going to do in this video is to suggest some tips and tricks that will help you navigate in this Web3 space. Hi, I'm Kiran from Giottus and welcome to this week's Crypto News Roundup. Now, the first step is to find a very good wallet. A wallet should not only help you access the funds, visualize the portfolio, it should also protect your funds. Now, the good wallet that we recommend is something called Rabbit. We have attached it in the links, please go check it out. Now, the next step is something called diversification. Put all your eggs in one basket. Always make sure that you spread your funds across different wallets. So now, if you have been farming airdrops for a while, then you must interact with a lot of protocols. Now, when you do interact, you have to give permissions, and permissions are a perfect opportunity for hackers to come in and steal your files. Now, revoke.cash helps you revoke all those permissions, and you get to be safe in the space. Now, the fourth step is something called phishing links, which we all know, but we fall prey to it. Now, all you gotta do is verify whether some link is from an official account. Now, that's not even enough these days. You need to have a list of influencers that you personally trust to make sure the link is correct. Now, moving on to the final point. If something is too good to be true, it definitely is not true, especially in the crypto space. Now, let's say somebody says, send me 1 BTC and they want to send 2 BTC back. Just close your eyes and run away, because there is nothing called a free lunch in this world.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Now, we hope that these tools and tips helps you, in the Web3 space. Now, Giottus personally recommends everyone to take self-custody, but only if you know what you're doing. To assist that, we offer deposit and withdrawals for a lot of coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, etc. in BSC network, in Ethereum network, and also we support native networks for a lot of coins. Now, if you like any of this content, please subscribe to Giottus and stay tuned.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.